Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's me, Daniela. On this channel I do a bit of fashion, lifestyle and all things London related. So if that's something you're into and you want to see a bit more of me, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button and just keep on watching. Today we'll be doing a Shein haul. To be honest, I'm always intrigued by Shein. I don't know, the girl is on TikTok and on YouTube. They're always showing the cute little pieces. I'm like, oh, that look good, but I'm always nervous. I just wasn't too sure about the quality, but the other day I'm like, what's the worst that can happen? I can just always return it if it's not something I'm vibing with. But I did go ahead, put in an order, and I was pleasantly surprised by the amount of stuff I got for the money. It's super cheap, very affordable and budget friendly, and you know around here we love our budget friendly option. So I did get a good amount of stuff ranging from like basics to holiday wear, because you know summer is right around the corner and I feel like everyone now is trying to go somewhere for summer, including myself. So yeah, I did pick up a few holiday pieces, so let's get into it. Hope you guys enjoy, and as usual the link to the items will be in the description box. So the very first item I picked up was this textured mini dress. Is it mini or midi? I would say more so mini, and I really like this one. I feel like I've been seeing like this type of material stuff like everywhere. Pretty Little Thing has a good amount of stuff in this textured material as well, and I feel like the white was just screaming sexy, sophisticated, but you know, you want to show a bit but you're not doing too much at the same time, because it has this little open cutout detail right here, and as you can see I draw it as tight as it can be because I'm not trying to show my stomach up too much. But yeah, this one is definitely a keeper. I think this one was like £10. Where can you buy a dress for £10 and it's looking this cute? So yeah, this one is definitely giving holiday vibes. This isn't for the UK. This needs to be somewhere on a beach drinking a nice little cocktail, and yeah, super cute, and I just like the little string detail on it. So sticking along with the whole holiday vibe, I did go ahead and get this white cord set. So this one came with a short, and as you can see it's also in a textured material. This one is very flowy, so this is for the days you want to chill, you don't want to really think about your outfit, you can just throw on something and be ready to go. So yeah, very flowy, very relaxed vibes. The material is really nice. It's not those plasticky material. I wouldn't say it's cotton, but at the same time it's not clingy. But yeah, very breathable, and it came with a little lining underneath the short, so it's not see-through, but at the same time I'll just be very conscious and still go ahead and wear black on this just to be on the safe side. But yeah, elastic band, and the shorts are at a very appropriate length, so it's not too short and at the same time it's not very long, so it's very modest. It's still showing a bit of skin, but at the same time doing so modestly. So yeah, this one I did pick it up in a large. I must admit the reviews and the pictures on Shein does help a lot, and I really appreciate that, because sometimes like me and the sizes, even though they give the inches and stuff like that, I can never tell which direction to go. Should I get a medium? Should I get a large? I don't know. So I did go ahead and pick this mesh maxi length dress. So this one is just the colors are definitely screaming summer. Yeah, it's summer. So this, I feel like you can dress it down if you want to, but this one definitely needs to be worn out to dinner in the evening times and stuff like that. But at the same time, because it's mesh, it's very breathable, very appropriate for the holiday season, summer. And yeah, the material is very stretchy. I did get this one. Was it in a medium? Oh, it was in a large. Yeah, so the material on this one is very stretchy, but at the same time the button areas, I would still stick to my regular sizing, because once this big, if you have a you're a bit busty, then this bit with the buttons can expose you slightly, and we don't want that. So this is a Jacquemus, is it Jacquemus inspired dress, and I was seeing so many dresses like this last year summer. Yeah, last year summer there were so many dresses like this online, and I was intrigued then, but I couldn't find a good budget friendly option. So when I saw this one on Shein, I'm like, okay, that would be like a good option to wear for dinner and stuff like that when you are away. But I must admit, I'm disappointed because the color, I didn't know that it would have been this bright. And oh, I must admit, like, I wouldn't say I'm a fully neutral girl, but I'm always a bit worried about colors this bright. I feel like the camera is doing it justice in regards to the color. It's super bright, and then I don't know if it's the best fit on myself, and the material as well. It has this plasticky feel to it, so it's not cotton. Yeah, it's not cotton feel. It has a little plastic feel. It kind of clings to my body a bit, so I just feel like I'll be super hot in this one. It's not the most breathable material, so this one I'm a bit disappointed, but at the same time I'll go ahead and try it on for you guys, just in case you guys weren't interested in a style very similar to this and you aren't too bothered by the color. So one thing I don't know if you guys realize as well is that because Shein is so cheap, it had me trying out different styles and colors that I wouldn't normally go for, because truth be told, I like to play it safe. But when I saw this one, so this is very similar to the white dress I show you guys first, I'm like, okay, Daniela, you know what, give it a try. What's the worst that can happen? So I opted to get this long maxi dark blue one shoulder sleeveless dress, and I must admit the arm bits, these bits are a bit too snug at the top, but everything else fits perfectly. So it's kind of like, what do you size up? Even though everywhere else fits, I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is super cute, a bit different from myself, but I can definitely see someone in this. I say someone because I'm not sure about myself. I'm not really sure, like, oh, then can you pull it off? But yeah, I'm going to try it on so you guys can see. But yeah, this will be super cute going out if you're like want to transition from like dinner to the club. This, I feel like it could work for both because of the color and just the style of it as well. Is very simple, but with the right accessories it can be a statement dress. Let's move on to something that's more my speed and more my regular go-to, and it's this cord set. So I got this really simple but cute cord set. As you can see, is a sleeveless top, and it has this pleated detail on the sleeve, the neck, very light breathable linen kind of material, and the shorts are also super cute. So it just comes with the pleating at the front, has the folding on the shorts hem, and then it also has the belt. So really super cute cord set. Would highly recommend this one. I did get it in a size large, and I'm happy I did because the waist isn't, it has a bit of elastic at the back, but it doesn't stretch much, just like stretch to it. So yeah, definitely stick to your regular sizing. So truth be told, when I saw this one on the website, I'm like, okay, Daniela, this seems like you. But then no, when I got it, I probably need to try it on again, all dressed up and stuff like that, to see what I'm feeling. But when I just try it on, I'm like, oh no girl, this is giving mature, too mature for my liking. But regardless, it's just a very simple, cute, although I said mature, but it's still cute, wrap dress. So very ideal to just like walk around in, do a bit of sightseeing, or like I could still wear this in the UK. I wouldn't be mad wearing this out and about in the UK, like going out for ice cream in the afternoons or anything like that. So yeah, super cute. This one is more of a polyester sleazy kind of feel, but it's not that thin. So I wouldn't say the quality is bad, but it's not the greatest, I must admit. I feel like this one I'll be so nervous to iron it just because of how it's feeling. I feel like I don't know if it starts ironing, and if the iron isn't on the right temperature, you'll be like and it's done for. So yeah, probably need to try and steam this one. But yeah, the length is very much appropriate as well. It's not too short, and it has a little tie knot here, so you can just like adjust it a bit more if you're trying to get a bit of a waistline going on. But yeah, really like this shade green as well. I think it's safe to say denim is very much still in, denim skirt at that. So I opted to get this one, and I really like the little slant detail of the buttons. I think that was super cute, and this one did come with a little split at the front. Little, I said little, it's not small. But yeah, I think that just gave it a more sexy appeal, even though it's a midi skirt. Midi, maxi, mini, yeah, midi. It's more of a midi length. But yeah, really like the look of this one. Super cute, and the shade is very nice as well. I was expecting it to be in those like stretchy jeans material, but no, not at all. This is very much true denim. There's no stretch to it whatsoever. Composition, they say, is 91% cotton and then 5% viscose. So yeah, that's okay. I'm not mad at that. I did pick this one up in a large, so it's very true to size, I would say, because this one fits me perfectly. If I went down, I'll be struggling to close it. Not going to lie to you guys. Sticking along with the jean items, I did pick up this jean jumper. I was super excited about this one because I was thinking this could have been worn to like a little festival, just because the weather in the UK is very unpredictable. So I wouldn't want to be wearing any like sleazy top, anything too light, and then little bit from that like it's raining or it's very windy or it's just, you can't tell, so you have to like dress for whatever weather it can be. So I think for a situation like that, a jumpsuit like this will be very appropriate. It's still giving fashion, it still looks cute. You can like expose and show your little bralette if you wanted to. You can adjust the little string to give you a bit more like waistline. So I think this was super cute. So the last dress I have to show you guys is this blue and white off the shoulder. Well, it can be off the shoulder or on the shoulder if you want it to be layered blue dress. It looks nice on the model, but then when I got it in person, I didn't realize that the blue would be this bright, and for some reason I'm not 100% sold on it, to be honest. No shade, but it is what it is. This material is giving me like, when I was in Jamaica, like they used to be having these little stars and like little anchors and stuff like that, selling little sleeves material, things like this, and like my mom used to buy them for us to like wear in the yard and stuff like that. So like this is giving me yard clothes material, if you know, you know. But yeah, it's very much feeling like plastic, and I don't know, even the tag on it that's how the little, we used to call them Chinese clothes, that's how our OCL clothes, that's how they used to come labeled. So this is giving me that kind of vibe, and just because of that, like I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing something like this out to like to go out properly. So yeah, this, the design is cute, but just the material and the feel of it and the look, I'm not 100% sold. I'm not sold at all. So yeah, this one is definitely a no-no, but as for the others, I'll still try it on for you guys to see what it's looking like. But yeah, the sizing is okay, the style is alright. It is elasticated at the waist, so very, I would say, size inclusive. So like if you're in between size, you can like always go for the medium. There's no need to size up. But yeah, it's just the material I'm not with. So as usual, I have to pick up a few basics, and I did go ahead and pick up 3 tops. So the first one I have to show you guys is this blue crinkled, wrinkled top, long sleeve top at that. And I really like the little design at the front. It has this little tie knot, and I just thought that like was super cute, and it just had a bit of detail to whatever outfit it is. Even though something is cute and it's just a basic, that doesn't mean that it can't add a little bit, you know, a little something to it. So I really like that, and I feel like the texture and material would work as we transition from spring to summer. Then next I have this orange one. Really like the color of it. For some reason, even though this is brighter than the dress I showed you guys previously, I'm more okay with wearing a top like this than the dress. I don't know if it's because of top and I can use a bottom to kind of like tone it down a bit, but yeah, this I can work with. So that's everything that I have to show you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did pick up a bit of stuff that aren't the usual for myself, but I'm trying to be a bit considerate of you guys when I'm doing these hauls, just so you get a bit of idea like what different styles and items look like on some of my eyes and body type as well. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what was your favorite item. I'm trying to get a few items in because I have 2 concerts and a festival coming up pretty soon. So I think it will be super cute to do a concert / festival inspired outfit ideas video. So let me know if that's something that you'll be interested in. But yeah, enough talking. As usual, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't as yet, and to like this video. Hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.